Students really struggle with domain and range, so let me show you the 5 most common questions so that you can get it right if you're in Year 12 A-Level Maths. So make sure you save this video and follow for more maths walkthroughs. Think of the domain as your x values, so it's all of the values that we're going to input. And think of the range as your y values. So this one is f of x equals x squared plus 2. If I do a quick sketch of that, it's going to look like this, crossing at 2. So we can see that x can take all real values, and you can write that like this. And for the range, it's going to be 2 and greater. So we can write that like this. For this one, remember you can't have a negative under the square root. So to make sure that this is not negative, x must be greater than or equal to -4. When that is the case, f of x must be greater than or equal to 0. For more question walkthroughs like this, have a look at the link in my bio where you can have a 7-day free trial of EdGenie. A fraction is another really common one because you can't have the denominator equaling 0. So if that's the case, x cannot equal 2, but x can take any other values. Thinking about how that graph looks, it's going to have an asymptote when x is 2, and it's going to look like this. So you can see that f of x can take all values apart from 0. So remember, your logarithm graph is going to look like this. And x cannot be 0 or anything less, so we have to write it as x is greater than 0. But as you can see from the graph, f of x can take all real values. The exponential of x is actually the inverse function of the logarithm. So the graph looks like this, and it means that we're going to swap these two around. So this time x can take any real values, and f of x has to be greater than 0. Leave a comment on what topic you want me to go through next.